Unidelta is pleased to introduce Delt1, the new integrated compression fitting. The fitting components are clamping ring, acetylic resin, double pushing ring, polypropylene, O-ring, nitrile rubber, nut, polypropylene, body, polypropylene. Which is the innovation? Nut, clamping ring and double pushing ring make up a unique integrated component. This makes the fitting faster and easier to install, even in difficult working conditions. Nevertheless, in particular situations, i.e. when the pipe is extremely oval, the unique integrated component can be disassembled, and Delt1 can also be installed as the traditional Unidelta compression fitting. Now let's look at the assembly procedure. Unscrew the nut. Insert the integrated component followed by the O-ring on the pipe. Insert the pipe in the fitting body as far as its internal stop. Tighten the nut. Let's see the innovation from inside. There is 100% safety that the pipe has reached the internal fitting stop, as it is possible to see it. The nut is screwed without much effort, as it is not necessary to compress the O-ring. The yellow ring pushes the O-ring into its right position. The O-ring sliding in its cylindrical seat, this ensuring the best hydraulic seal. The mechanical pushing system of the fitting internal ring ensures the best mechanical seal.